Let me welcome you to harvest. Would you mind if we got started? Cause I see you as a rolling field, trapped inside a studio apartment. Let me hold on to you until you can see every plate. And I will tell you something that I figured out the hard way. Heaven knows I do find a piece of paradise hidden in the weeds, but not just me in real life. Love that no one can take away. It's a little more to every day, but not just me in real life. The cold gets in your jacket, and sometimes you just hear static. It doesn't mean you gotta change your ways. That's just life some days. Don't go messing with your heart. Don't you go messing with your heart. That's the only thing that beats the same. It reminds you from where you came. Heaven knows I do find a piece of paradise hidden in the weeds, but not just me in real life, just me in real life. Love that no one can take away, 'cause it gets a little more to every day, but not just me in real life, just me in real life. Can you feel like who are you deep down? Can you feel like you're not trying to be someone else? Who are you deep down? We are not trying to be somebody else. Heaven knows I do find a piece of paradise hidden in the weeds when I get to see you in real life. It's just you in real life. Heaven knows I do find